Chapter 4. How to Break the Spell. Don Vincent touched the ring on his finger. "How can I help you?" he asked. "You can break the spell and free me from my prison," said the soldier. "Or you can leave me here to guard the treasures for another 100 years." The soldier took Don Vincent to a dark area of the room and showed him a big chest with a lock. "This chest contains the Muslims' treasure. There's gold, silver, and lots of precious stones in it," he said. "Break the spell, and half of this treasure will be yours." "Thank you," said Don Vincent. "Now, tell me, how can I break the spell?" "First, you must find a priest to expel the bad spirits," explained the soldier. "The priest must be a truly good man, and he mustn't eat anything for 24 hours. Then, find a young maiden. She must be pure and innocent, and she must touch the chest with your ring. Please hurry. Find these two quickly. You must break the spell in the next 3 days." Don Vincent was very excited. "I know a priest and a beautiful maiden called Emmeline," he said. "I'm sure they will agree to help you. I can bring them here. But how can I enter this tower again?" "Your ring is the key. Touch the door with the ring of Solomon, and it will open," the soldier said. Chapter 5. The Rescue. The next day, Don Vincent visited Father Thomas's house. "Father Thomas, come quickly. I need your help," he shouted. The student explained his mission to the priest, and Father Thomas's eyes shone. He wanted to help the poor enchanted soldier, and he also wanted to be rich. Emmeline wasn't interested in the treasure. She only wanted to help the poor soldier. "Let's go now," she said. "We can't go today," replied Don Vincent. "Father Thomas mustn't eat for 24 hours. This was a big problem because Father Thomas loved food. He tried not to eat, but it was impossible for him. On the first day, Father Thomas forgot and went straight to the kitchen for his breakfast. On the second day, he discovered a delicious cake on the table and ate half of it. Finally, on the third day, he resisted all temptation of food, and it was time for the rescue to take place. On the evening of the third day, they all went to the tower. They carried a basket of food with them for Father Thomas to eat later. He was very, very hungry. Don Vincent opened the vault under the tower with the ring of Solomon, and they all went inside. Emmeline touched the chest with the ring, and the lock opened. They all looked at the treasure in wonder.